My name is Andrew Townsend. I'm the owner of Front Range CNC. Our experience with CNCs ranges across a wide variety of different disciplines, from OEM manufacturing in the United States to actually using the machines to cut everything from wood, plastic, composites, aluminum, even cabinets. From there, we then had experience doing service work, so we're used to actually servicing the machines and supporting. And from there, we launched Front Range to try to have another option in the market for people that we feel encompasses a lot of what we're good at in our experience, to try to bring something a little different that we think's missing. One of the goals we have is trying to empower the employees of the companies using the machines as much as possible to learn some of the basic principles of machining. And we do that because it gives them a lot of power to solve problems on their own, but also to think outside of the box to do things better.
I feel what sets us apart is our values and our passion to do this, to get dirty, to actually work with the machines.
It's exciting to have a different part, a different project, a different challenge, really with every person. And different people have different levels of experience. They do things different. It's fun. I mean, it's the best way to put it. The training typically is done on site at the customer location. Normally it's 3 days. And when I say 3 days, I mean it's 3 solid days at the customer site.
We want to have the machine ready to go by the first day. The second day, we want to be working with the customer regarding their software. If they still need help with the post or anything like that, we try to get that done that day, so that the third day, we've already been cutting their parts for the past day and a half or 2. That way the customer, once we leave, they're just up and rolling. I love being able to see customers grow. I love to be able to grow with customers as well, because as I speak with customers, I learn every single day. As I speak with Andrew, I learn every single day. There's so much innovation in this world.
I think probably the best takeaway for our company as a whole, we love machines. We're really passionate about supporting the machines, innovating on the machine side, but also trying to help our customers be as productive as possible with those machines. We encourage anyone to give us a call, ask us some questions about the machine, or even just the process.